Hello everyone, welcome to today's video on my YouTube channel. We are going to talk about the 9 most common car problems and how to fix them. There are some problems that will always happen to any type of car. It doesn't matter about the make or model, the quality of the manufacturing process, or how well you maintain the vehicle. Some of the most common car problems, we've put together a list of the top 9 issues and how to fix them. Number 1. Check engine light. The check engine light can come on for a variety of reasons, such as a loose gas cap or a malfunctioning oxygen sensor. If the light is flashing, it indicates a serious problem and you should pull over immediately. Otherwise, if the light is steady, you can continue driving, but you should take your car to a mechanic as soon as possible to have the problem diagnosed and fixed. Number 2. Dead battery. A dead battery is one of the most common car problems. You can tell if you have a dead battery if you turn the key and nothing happens, or if your car is slow to start. To fix this problem, you can jumpstart your car using jumper cables and a second vehicle or a jump starter pack. If your battery is old or damaged, it may need to be replaced. Number 3. Overheating engine. An overheating engine can be caused by a variety of issues, such as a malfunctioning radiator, a broken water pump, or a leak in the cooling system. If your engine is overheating, pull over and turn off your car immediately. Wait for the engine to cool down before opening the hood and checking the coolant level. If the coolant level is low, add more coolant. If the problem persists, take your car to a mechanic. Number 4. Flat tire. A flat tire can happen anytime, anywhere. If you notice that your tire is flat, you can use a spare tire and a jack to replace it. Make sure to drive to a mechanic to have the tire repaired or replaced as soon as possible. Number 5. Brake problems. If you notice that your brakes are making a grinding noise or if your car takes longer to stop than usual, you may have a problem with your brakes. This could be caused by worn brake pads, a malfunctioning brake caliper, or a leak in the brake system. Take your car to a mechanic as soon as possible to have the brakes inspected and repaired. Number 6. Transmission issues. Transmission problems can be costly to fix, so it's important to catch them early. Signs of transmission problems include difficulty shifting gears, slipping gears, or a burning smell coming from the transmission. If you notice any of these signs, take your car to a mechanic to have the transmission inspected and repaired. Number 7. Alternator failure. The alternator is responsible for charging your car's battery and powering the electrical system. Signs of alternator failure include dimming headlights, a dead battery, or a warning light on the dashboard. If you suspect that your alternator is failing, take your car to a mechanic to have it inspected and replaced if necessary. Number 8. Starter problems. The starter is responsible for starting the engine when you turn the key. Signs of starter problems include a grinding noise when you try to start the car or if the engine doesn't turn over at all. If you suspect that your starter is failing, take your car to a mechanic to have it inspected and replaced if necessary. Number 9. Electrical problems. Electrical problems can be difficult to diagnose and fix. Signs of electrical problems include a dead battery, blown fuses, or malfunctioning accessories such as the radio or power windows. If you suspect that you have an electrical problem, take your car to a mechanic to have it diagnosed and repaired. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to click the subscribe button. The next video. Stay healthy.